Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the Beadbox Bargains Black Friday sale haul. It's funny, it's Monday, and I've already gotten it, and I just bought it Thursday, so it was like their Black Friday sale, but uh, it was on Thanksgiving evening. I really wasn't gonna shop for anything because first of all, I've been on a freeze, and they actually really didn't have anything that was too like mind bending. Usually I really enjoy their like mix and match or their surprise packs, but I totally forgot about the sale and didn't get home quickly enough from Thanksgiving dinner to get it when they still had the mix and match packs. So I just kind of had my cart already loaded and they had a 40% off coupon. So I used that and then I got some of their deals. So let's just kind of see what I really can't remember because it was just like, okay, let's just go through, pick what we want and get out of here. But I think I did get some stuff that I hadn't gotten or hadn't seen before. And it's so funny. I just unboxed Sam's bead box or Sam's Christmas bead box, and these are in there. So if you didn't get your hands on these through Bargain Bead Box, you should try Sam's Christmas bead box. They are Picasso red Christmas trees. I was like so excited to see red Christmas trees that I didn't even know that they had Picasso on them. That's so cool. I love Picasso, and I love these little Christmas trees. All right, and then we got mint with AB Christmas trees. I've never seen that before. They're so cute and they're matte. Oh my gosh, could they get better? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, I love them. I think I'm gonna have to do a bracelet with these because I typically tend to make earrings with the trees or think about making earrings with the trees, but I want this on my body, and I wouldn't first of all be able to see the earrings myself if I wore them, but I want to be able to look at them on my wrist. They're so cute. That would actually be cute to turn into a ring too. I never make rings though. Then I got these gold leaves because I thought these are not only perfect for Christmas but all year round. Aren't those gorgeous? They look like oh gosh, I'm not really good with the words tonight. Like that silver foil mirror, but in gold. Gosh, I can't think of it. I'm, sometimes this happens to me. It's like aphasia. I can't remember some certain words. So maybe it'll come to me later and I'll put it on the screen. And then I got like just one of these lamp work leaves. So I thought it would be a cute charm for a bracelet. Look how cool that is with the glitter. Love that. Love it. So pretty. Such a beautiful teal. Now I got 2 packs of these just because I thought the color was so cool. It's like a rose gold with like a purple vitriol on it. So I am going to open these because I want to condense them. Typically I wouldn't open these if they're sealed like this just because I don't want them spilling everywhere. But I got 2 packs and I want to put them all in the same baggie. And I think it was like 10 grams or something like that. Look at those. Those are so cool and bright and shiny and just amazing, and I love them. Next, I got some yellow stars. And we haven't done a haul from Bargain or Beadbox Bargains in a while, the sister site, because I've been on a bead haul or a bead freeze. I'm going back on one though. And then these are really cool. I love the little stars. Maybe after Christmas I'll buy some beads with Christmas money if I get any, but I've just been saving up because I want to buy this other house, and we have to save for Tucson. These are cool. Just some Drux turquoise with a luster. Love those. Those look like Roman glass. I mean, they don't look like Roman glass, but they're about the same color as a lot of the Roman glass beads are. So I could always use those with Roman glass. And I bought one pack of these little wavy spacers. Thought those were really cool. And then these are flat with polka dots. Thought those were pretty awesome. Then I got a couple packs of these snowflakes because I hadn't seen them before. And I just thought they were really neat with some, they've got a beautiful red rhinestone in the middle. And then they have green, like emerald green enamel, and I just really love them. I think we'll make a cute little pair of earrings with one, a bracelet, and you could just make a cute little easy, simple chain charm necklace too, if you wanted. Got these because they were turquoise and beautiful. Love those table cut flowers. I have fun putting these away too. And then I got a couple sets of these. Oh my gosh, the other ones we thought were bright. These are all vitriol. Holy moly, I'm so glad I got 2 packs. Wow, look at those. OMG, those are spectacular. Love them. Next, we saw these in the monthly box, but I had to get more because I just love them so much. And they were like 40% off. But I just loved, I know I already had some, even some with a different finish on them, probably from Jesse James Beads, but I didn't have any that were just this red other than that one strand we got in the monthly box. And I really enjoyed them, so gotta grab them when you see them, right? Especially if you're coming out of your spending freeze. And then I got a bunch of these because I thought they were so cool. They are matte Drux in orange. They're so cool. I can't even tell you like what these feel like. I know they feel like matte, but like they look kind of like paintballs or something. I don't really know how to explain what I think they look like. Or like a really sour. Like, remember, there used to be like a candy that kind of looked like this, but I cannot remember what the name was. It wasn't Warheads, but it was something like that looked like this. So they kind of look a little dangerous to me because I don't like sour candy. Not really super sour candy, but those are really cool. Yeah, the things that go through my mind about beads. So I'm not going to open these. They're little tiny Drux. They're like 3mm maybe, pearlized teal. Then I got these. They're like black mandala, but they almost kind of look like a star or a snowflake, and they look a little galactic to me. I love them. I kind of wish I would have gotten more of them. That's not my favorite motif because it looks really close to a snowflake, but in this situation it doesn't really look like a snowflake to me, so I actually really like those. Snowflakes aren't my favorite just because I hate snow. Then I got these leaves. Don't have any idea if I already have them, but I thought they looked really cool with the white. They're not white. They're pale green, pearlized glass with green wash in the veins of the leaf. Then, ooh, these were like some little enamel beads. They're kind of heavy. Those are really neat. I see maybe a bracelet with these. No, I want to do more than 12 days because I have Christmas, because I have so many ideas. But I don't have the time. Oh, beautiful. Little red stars with gold paint flecks. I know they're glass. They almost feel a little bit like acrylic because they're so lightweight. But they are glass for sure. Then I got more of these matte beads in a yellow. These almost look like little, I don't know the name of them. Are they Billy buttons? Like, they're little yellow flowers that are round like that. Love them. They don't feel velvety, but they almost look velvety. I got these little, almost like Greek key look. They almost look like G's too. In red, table cut. I love this shape because it reminds me of a shape I bought when I was a teenager. And they've been coming out with some really cool colors in it now. But it's been around for a very long time. At least 20 years. And then, oh, these are tiny. I thought, I wasn't paying attention. I thought they were 8mm, but now that I think about it, I think the 8mm sold out in a slightly different color. They're like a pale pink with a blue and copper wash. Oh, another style. So these were gold, and then these are copper, like a copper wash over the turquoise. Very pretty. Looks like I only got one set of these. They're, gosh, I can't remember the name. It's Crystal Slipper-It, and I love that name. It's the gold on one side and then crystal on the other. Ooh, like a red version, also matte. So cool. This one's a little broken, but I don't care. It's just a small nick, and I don't think that they can it doesn't look like it happened like at Bead Box Bargains. It looks like it happened before they got it. And there's no chip in the bead. There's no chip in the bag. Ooh, I really don't remember choosing these, but that's awesome. Little 3D roses. Love these. These are amazing. These are some of my favorite things I've gotten today in this haul. Every time I see something I really, really love, I'm like, oh, I gotta turn that into a bracelet. Oh, I gotta turn that. I only have 2 arms. I don't know why I keep telling myself I need a bajillion 7 different bracelets. Now, I had the same amount of these in my cart, but they sold down. That only one was available when I checked out, and these are like a chartreusey, like acid green. That same matte as the other 2 or 3 colors that we saw. Oh, I thought these were so adorable. Just got 2 of them. They're little, they're not toggles. They're clasps. They're lobster clasps that go open like that, but they're birdies. So cute. I'll probably, end up patinaing these or painting them or something, because I just can see them already tarnishing. I mean, they're not tarnished right now, but I know that they will, and I want them to stay really cool. So I'll end up doing something later. Here's the free item that came with my order. Here's Bead Box Bargains information. And it looks like it's just a little thing of silver spacer beads. Throw that right in the spacer bead drawer. More matte beads. This one again, 3 sets. It's like a moss color. Love them. It's like a zombie green. And then some pale pink little squares. So cool. I didn't remember getting the pink version, but that's awesome. Oh, I got these because I thought they kind of looked like poinsettias. Very pretty. Oh, I got these. I love them. They're little drucks. They're half gold, half orange. Very cool. You know what? I think I thought these looked better online, because really they just look like painted cream drucks, and I don't think that's what I thought they were online. Because I would not buy these again. I don't really like. I do like coated beads. Like some of these are coated, but these like look cheaply painted compared to every other check glass bead I've ever seen. I know that's harsh, but I'm gonna be honest. Like I would not buy those again. Oh, more trees. I forgot about these. They're like a dark silver, an antique, and they're not even antique silver. They're like really dark. Very cool. And last but not least, I think I got like 3 packs of these just because they're Suns, and I love them. And when I do buy things like this with caution, because I fully expect them at some point to tarnish. So I buy them thinking I'm going to alter them, but I haven't seen this shape before. These are very hefty, so they could be a pretty good quality. But if it's any kind of plated metal like this, it'll probably tarnish, or the plating could wear off. So I'm better off either sealing the beads or painting them, or just knowing that, just accepting that it'll be something that might tarnish or the plating will wear off. A lot of the times with my tribal and more like old worldy grungy looking designs, that's okay. Sometimes we want that, but sometimes we don't. So I'm gonna mix all these together. And my favorites, these, because the color, these, because, oh wow, those look cool together. Because they're like galactic. I really liked these. These are so bright. I mean, all the bright stuff is really catching me today. I think that's enough things to love. But I did really love almost everything. The cream ones, no go. Wouldn't buy those again. But everything else, really enjoyed. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? Did you shop the sale? And what are you looking forward to for the holiday season? I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hello. Are you just a floating head? No, there she is. Hi, buddy. Hi, cutie butt. Hello. Hello, you're very close to me. Hi, buddy.